We're replacing the Mac Mini 2024 headphone jack with a quick, step-by-step teardown. Power off, unplug, and ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap before you begin. Tools: tri-point screwdriver, spudger, soldering iron, desoldering braid, replacement jack, and tweezers. Remove the bottom cover and unscrew chassis screws to expose the motherboard. Locate the headphone jack, note cable routing, and take a reference photo. Disconnect the battery and nearby cables to eliminate power during soldering. Heat each solder pad, use desoldering braid, and lift the old jack away gently. Clean pads with flux and solder wick, then pre-tin the pads for the new jack. Position the replacement jack, tack one pad to hold alignment, then solder the rest. Inspect joints for solid wetting, trim excess leads, and secure cable routing with tape. Reconnect the battery, reassemble the chassis, boot the Mac Mini, and test audio. If sound is clear, you're finished. For more repair guides, subscribe and stay safe.